How to use a dApp on Trust Wallet. Before you start, make sure you have downloaded and set up your Trust Wallet. After setup is finished, open Wallet section in the Trust Wallet app. Tag protocol operates on Binance Smart Chain, so you have to use BNB-BEP20 token to register hashtags. BNB-BEP20 token is mentioned as Smart Chain in the Trust Wallet. Please make sure you are sending your BEP20 BNB token to this wallet. After you deposit and receive funds, click on dApp icon to open your dApp browser. After you open your dApp browser, enter www.techprotocol.com in the address bar. After website loads, click on the Ethereum logo on the top right. This will open network selection menu. Switch to Binance Chain Network. After switching the network, simply click on Launch App button on the website. This will load the Wallet Connect page on the tag protocol. Click on the Trust Wallet button. This will load the Enter Referral Address page. Click the referral address provided by your friend and click Submit. This will load the tag protocol dashboard. Feel free to explore features on the app. Thank you.